they want us to graph this equation, which is negative 2x plus y equals 1. Now, I'm going to sketch this real quick. You know, we could take this and algebraically solve it and make it look like y equals mx plus b. And remember that this is my slope, which is really the rise over run, and this is the y-intercept. Or, an easier way to think of this is that the x-intercept occurs when y equals 0, and the y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. So if I want to know what the y-intercept of this is, or I'm sorry, the x-intercept of this is, I just got to plug in 0 for y. Now here's an interesting thing that I don't think most kids realize or think about that much. When y equals 0, whatever the coefficient of y is gets multiplied by 0. What is negative 2x plus 0? It's just negative 2x. It's like it goes away. So now what is x? Well, to solve this, I'd have to divide both sides by negative 2. So what's my x value? Negative 1/2. That's pretty easy to figure out, right?
Yeah.
Boom. All right, so that's 1. Let's do the other one. Now, to find the y-intercept, I just set x equal to 0. So when I go to set x equal to 0, this whole term goes away, right? Because negative 2 times 0 is equal to 0, so I'm left with y equals what? 1. So now this is pretty easy. If I graph, we know it's a linear equation because they told us in the book. So that means it's going to be a straight line. So all I've got to do is plot these 2 points. If I go over negative 1/2 at 0, boom, that's the first one. Negative 1/2, comma 0. And then if I go 0, comma 1, this line here, these are my x and y intercepts, and I draw a line between the two of them. That's my function. Does that make sense?
Yeah.